Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day. And look, this is going to be a little bit different. I know we're getting ready to start talking a lot about grass, but heck, I'm videoing everything else. I might as well video this. I want to show you, I'm getting ready to kind of set up my yard for like a, I don't know, a studio. I don't know what you want to call it. I got some new, I don't know what you call them, mounts or something for my GoPro. I'm going to show you where I'm going to mount them and to give us some different views of the yard when I'm making videos. Alright, so I picked these up, I don't even know where I picked them up at. Archon Mounts, a complete line of mounting solutions and accessories. Whatever that is. Car, home office, taxi, limo, bike, motorcycle, excuse me, commercial vehicles. It's made just for GoPros. Kind of got like a little ball swivel mount right there, and you tighten all that down, and this thing will go wherever, and then it hinges right here in the middle as well, kind of like that. So pretty neat little setup. It is, I think it's all aluminum. Doesn't say. I thought it was all aluminum. I can't remember how much I paid for them. So it doesn't say. I'm pretty sure it's all aluminum. It's not supposed to rust, but of course, you know yourself, if you leave it out here long enough, it'll rust, right? So that's where your GoPro kind of mounts in right there. So let's get up here and mount this bad boy and see how it's going to work. Now, of course, some of you lawn care guys that do pruning up in high places, man, you talking about a killer ladder. Hasegawa, I have no clue what you call this thing. If that thing will focus right there. Hasegawa, HasegawaLadders.com, whatever that is. But man, I'm telling you, the way that thing, this thing anchors out like this. This pole comes way out, and you tie your chain here so it won't slip on you. And this is a big one. This is a full height is 12.5 foot. So let's see how wide the base is right here and how deep the steps are. Man, we love them. You can climb up it with equipment and all kind of stuff and not worry about falling. It's got a nice little platform right here for you to put your feet. That, and if you actually need to, lean forward, you can lean forward and put your belly against that, and it's not going anywhere. All right, so let's see if we can do this without falling. Now, I kind of want it in the middle, so here's my middle 6x6 on my pergola. So I'm gonna probably mount this thing right here. That's not wide enough. Well, I kind of wanted it to be wide enough to get all 4 screws in there. I guess I could come back here. The only problem with that is my sight. Is this going to be in my line of sight? I tell you what, I may do this. I may go down there to the last one. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to mount on the last one. I think that'll be my best angle. Oh, and in case you're wondering, the Carbon X has turned it on. I still wish that would catch more of the screws, but I can't go back there. Daggone it. I think I'm gonna have to live with that. The that 1x8, or 2x12 is just not quite wide enough to catch the outside there. 1, 2, 3. I can get 3 screws in it. I mean, gosh, it's ain't nothing but a thing to hold your GoPro. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. We'll see, right? Whoops. There went a screw. You know what a screw is on the ground? What do you call that? Call it a flat tire. You know, I think those 2 are gonna be plenty. I mean, like I said, it's only holding a GoPro. It's not like you're holding up a truck or anything. So that goes in there, that goes back in there. Screw that back on. Oh yeah. So you can twist it around however you want. You can kind of lean it out a little bit if you need to. Change up the angles on it however you need to. It's pretty neat little gadget. So we'll see how it works. All right, so there it is. That's mounted. That's kind of the view. I think I might have to change the picture to wide, like to give it a real wide angle so you can see all of it. We'll try that, see what happens. Now listen to me now. Don't tell your wife you're doing this, okay? She just come outside and said, "What the heck are you doing?" Oh shoot. I said, "I'm putting cameras on the side of the house for YouTube videos." And I got that eye roll when she went on back in the house. Guess we'll see how good this ladder is. All right, there you go. All right, so I got those things mounted for the GoPros, and of course, you know, I've got this drone that I like to use as well. So I guess while we got it out, let's go up here and look at the Carbon X results. All right, so you can see she is really starting to darken up. The bluegrass back there is coming to life. I got to get up in the air because there's some trees. Look at there. That middle section still hadn't done anything, simply because it's a different type of fescue. But she getting dark, that's for sure. Alright, so there's just a little quick update on the Carbon X. It's really darkening the yard up. The hybrids back there, same thing, getting really dark. That one section right behind the neighbors, it's really not going to turn colors until I mow it. And then you'll see it pop. It's on the Carbon X side or the hybrid side, it's still the same color, no color change at all. That's just a weird spot of grass. I don't know what it is about it. Once I mow it, it changes colors and blends right in. So I'm not too long from mowing. We'll be talking about that soon. What else? The Carbonex, check us out now. I don't have mine yet, so it's not on my website. I got an email list. It's in the link. Click on it. Just get signed up. And as soon as I have it, I'm gonna blast the email out and say, hey, it's ready to go. And I'll have it when I have it, okay? What else? Oh, these gloves. I got a new kind. I filmed this little clip at the shop the other day, and I just want you to see just how strong it's a new formula this company's come out with, and they sent me some, and I like them so much I put them on their website. So check us out. My manufacturer of the gloves has come out with a new formula, and I want to show you something. I'm 6'1", about 250. You see I got my S on, so I'm a little extra strong today, but watch this right here. Watch. That's what it takes. Pretty strong, right? Boy, look how dark that bluegrass is. Good gracious. That fescue's pretty dark too. Ooh, look at that bad boy in there hiding. We're gonna have to do a weed spray video. All right, so hey, thank you for watching. Subscribe and all that cool stuff, and tell your buddies. We'll see you next time. Hey, I forgot. Go over to my Instagram page and comment on that free sprayer post and get in the drawing to win the free sprayer. And t-shirts, I'm starting to get some t-shirts in from law enforcement agencies around the country, so make sure you get your hometown represented, sheriff, state highway patrol, police, whatever, it don't matter, as long as it's got a law enforcement and something to do with your community, your local community, like the city name or whatever. All that's in the description. Send them to me so I can wear them on videos to show the law enforcement a little bit of respect and support. See you.